Hello everyone, this is Princess Christine, and for today's video, I'm going to present and answer the given question from the article Relation among cultural identity, motivation for language learning, and perceived English language proficiency for international students in the United States. Question number 1. What are the issues presented in the study? So the issue that presented mentioned in this article is the complex relationship between the cultural identity of the language and the lack of social support, academic difficulties in adapting to the new educational and social environments. Question number 2. What do the literature or other studies say about these issues? The literature or different studies during this article guides the researchers to search out the last direction. In other words, it helps to come up the most effective conclusion or finding in this article. Several college students are adjusting to new education and social environment, and it challenges the international students to know the expertise and adapting methods to produce additional support to their educational performance. Question number 3. What was the study conducted and interpreted? So the study conducted and taken by victimization, the trail analysis, cultural identity, and therefore the language psychological feature, and English proficiency for the international students. Many researchers shows interest in understanding how international students adapt to the native society and adapt to their new surroundings, each culturally and linguistically. Question number 4. What are the findings, implications, and conclusion of the study? The findings of the study demonstrate that second language learning motivation influence the relationship between ethnic and American identity, as well as English competency. This study gives a novel viewpoint on the relationship between cultural identification and language learning among international students, as well as options for further research. Question number 5. What are the future research directions of the study? There are 2 further suggestions for the future analysis. First, identity is dynamic as state within the study. Longitudinal styles are needed to explore identity information processes. Second, future research should address discrepancies between different groups of students. Question number 6. What concepts of this module and this study have in common? State at least 3 ideas. So the concept in common from the module and the study that both believe that learning the second language requires motivation. It can be for educational or economic purposes, and it can also be due to curiosity about other cultures. So, the study improves reader academic achievements, impact reader psychological development, necessary for each individuals who need to find out new language as well as for to those who's mastering the language that they learn.